Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm going to show you how you can disable story replies on your Instagram account. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application, and the first thing we have to do is clicking on this profile button. Then we're going to click on this button on the top right corner of our screen. Then there will be some options for us, and we have to select the settings and privacy menu. Okay, and you have to scroll down until you find the messages and story replies. Tap on it, then click on story replies, and right here you can manage who can reply to your stories. And since you want to disable the story replies, you can click on don't allow story replies over here. Okay, and now we can just go back to the previous section, and that's how we can disable story replies on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.